part 2. I accidentally hit the stop button instead of the pause button, but it's fast, it's quick. If y'all know any like the mechanical thing, y'all know what he's doing. He just showed y'all a different technique to get the lug and the stew faster and secure. So you don't have to keep testing them to make sure they went in.
There's a sliding back there.
No, they push in right here. They have slides. Hold on.
This one right here, he held on for your life, didn't he?
Yeah, he did.
Boom, boom, boom. That y'all like that fast, yeah. So that's in a minute. And this the man that's doing all the magic. This is one of his projects he got. Y'all gonna be amazed. This boy has no rust on it. It's for sale. I know y'all gonna say y'all wanna hear it. Y'all might not hear it, but it's what it is. They got a little welding to do, but it's pretty quiet and solid for what it is. It's located in Iowa. His info in the first video. You gotta play it back and hear it in part 1. Any of you car gearheads know somebody put some detailed craftsman in this. Craft work. It's just a little sneak peek. But that motor, woo. And obviously, yes, it does run because we're sitting in the back, blocking the alley. So obviously, yes, it does run. On with it though. History.
I got 4 loads. That's all that comes in the package.
I ain't go all in. Oh, y'all hear it? Yeah, it's a beauty. That's it, y'all. We out of here. Fly Kisses. Y'all seen what it is. Y'all get a hold of them if y'all interested. It is for sale.